Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get ammonium in Astroneer. This is especially useful for crafting things like the hydrazine fuel, which is used for traveling around space. So to begin, first of all, ammonium can be found on every planet, and on the starting planet it is mostly found inside of the forest area. So as you can see, ammonium is going to look like these kind of square-shaped crystals with a yellow-greenish color. And with your mining tool in hand, you can just go around and pick the ammonium. So this is how you get ammonium naturally, and also there's another option to get ammonium in a much better way. So let's say you don't want to go around scanning the whole planet for ammonium resources. You can just use the soil centrifuge, fill it up with 2 full soil canisters to get 1 ammonium from it. This is going to be useful for making an automated production plant, or let's say hydrazine. So this is pretty much all how to get ammonium in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.